In this tutorial, you will learn how to keep track of experimental task completion in Synod. In the task, you can decide to mark each step as completed or to use the status widget. This can come handy if you are at the bench using a computer, tablet, or another mobile device at the bench. So make sure you also download and use our app. For example, if I have just completed mixed samples with Buffer, I will click on the completion icon until it comes blue. Each action is recorded in the Activity tab, so you will be able to see who and when this action has been performed. Additionally, you can indicate the progress of your work by using the status widget. So in this case, I will move my task to in progress. Additionally, you can also view the status flow by clicking on View Status Flow. After the in progress, you will have the completed, then in review, and then done status. We will talk about each status in another video. In the Activity tab, you will be able to see a log of all the actions performed in that specific task, by who and when. In fact, the latest change is the status change from not started to in progress. The previous one is the completion of the first step of the protocol.